So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this session we shall look at descriptive statistics in SPSS, looking at frequencies and descriptives. So kindly like, share, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be able to motivate me to keep teaching data analysis. So in this session we shall begin with frequencies, which is gotten from going to the Analyze tab, Descriptive Statistics, then Frequencies. So when you have a limited number of categories, you can count how often each occurs, but SPSS will help us count how each occurs in large data sets. So we could first, the frequencies command in SPSS can also do much. It could look at statistics, which are quartiles, percentiles, dispersion, distribution, and measure for central tendency. So SPSS is a good tool to do everything well. So when we have our data here, we could be able to select the variables which we want to measure their frequencies. So we could select this and that, and frequencies can measure both the qualitative and quantitative, that's nominal, ordinal, and scaled data. So on the frequencies, you could disable frequency tables. Then you could press OK. So the output window will appear. And it's giving us frequency statistics, but it's only showing us the age and week. So we have to enable the frequency tables. Let's go back. Show frequency tables, then edit statistics. So you could be able to add quartiles, you could be able to add central tendency, deviation variances, then you could enable the distribution here. Continue. Then the charts, you would enable either this, but you shall go with histograms showing the normal distribution curve. Then we press OK. So yes, so here we get our frequency statistics. So this is the count. So here age of location as this. So this gives you the basic statistics about all the various data. The mean for the age of store location, mean for what. So here we come here to the frequency column. So this is the number of times this value appears. It could appear 40 times, and this gives us the frequencies. So you see the whole count again adds up the total number. So weeks would look at the frequencies. Also appearing here. So this is our histogram with our normal curve. And this is also our second frequency histogram for the week. So when you double click on it, you could be able to edit it. By going to the options, you could be able to add, or you could transpose the chart. The options, you could, same options, you could show grids, show grid lines, or you could opt to hide them. So you could still edit it by double clicking onto it. Then after you can copy it into any other application. So now we can go back to our data sets, and now we could look at the descriptives. So when you come to Analyze tab, Descriptive Statistics, then we go to Descriptives. So descriptives give us still basic statistics, which help us to achieve maximum density. That is how to get a lot of numbers on a lot of variables in a little space. It works with only numerical variables only. So it works mostly with scaled values. Then it also has the options of finding the mean, the dispersion, and distribution. But it has less options compared to the frequencies side. So it is concise, it gives a concise tabular output. It could also help you to find errors and portions of indicators. So when you press continue, press OK. Yeah, it's giving us quick descriptives of all the two elements you selected. So if you are adjuster, it's giving you the range, the mean, the standard deviation. So this one gives us more quick values compared to frequency. So when we return back to the descriptives, we could still enable save standardized variables, values as variables, and this will help us to get the z-scores. So z columns will be created for edge, z edge location, and z cells. So when you press OK, so here you still get the same statistics as before, but when we go to our data view, we see we've created two new columns, the z edge location and z cells columns. So from here, we could now again find descriptive statistics of these z-scores. So again, descriptives. So we reset it. Now we look at these z-scores. We now opt for we can keep the options. We want to look at mean and standard deviation. Continue, then OK. So yes, so now here we are able to get the characteristics of the z-scores. So the standard deviation is 1 for both and 0 for mean. So that's it for now. In our next session, we shall continue with more statistics and data assessing in SPSS. For now, it's a bye.